The Ashley Inn. Look at this big old bird over here eating fish. Right over here. Look at all these birds over here. Look. That's where they're cleaning off the fish for the seafood restaurant. Look.
She's like, what are they doing?
She's freaking out. She's freaking out. Yeah, so that's the fish for the seafood restaurant right here. They're cutting them up, and then they throw the heads out for them.
You get fresh seafood here.
Straight from the ocean. That's what I was telling you. It's all Gulf caught.
Yeah, you just missed it. One of the birds had a big old shrimp in its mouth. Dad, right here.
Man, look at these. You all right? Look at all these right here. It's like Alfred Hitchcock just waiting on you. That's a big old bird, boy. Look at these over here asleep. Look, they're sleeping. Yeah, they're eating the fish. See, you see underneath the restaurant, you see the fish coming off under. They're cutting the heads off and knocking them out in there, and they're eating them.
I told him, I said, it'd be fresh.
No, I'm just messing with you. I'll give you a hard time. Come on out here. There's a bunch of dolphins that live down here. Yeah? Well, yeah, that's the one. Yeah. We're going to be on one like that. Nice, you wanna walk over there with Daddy? You wanna walk over there with Daddy?
I bet you won't touch that seagull, Dad.
It won't let us touch it. It won't let us touch it, I don't think. Oh God, I didn't see that big one up there. Oh, I'm not trying to go over there.
Stay back here.
I'll try it.
Go over and touch it. I bet you won't. Go touch it.
Jordan, I can't.
Go pet that thing. Go pet that thing, Jordan. Go pet it, boy. Don't be scared. Oh, that would have been cool, wouldn't it?
I feel I would have got my finger taken.
Finger, that's all? I think it ate your whole hand.
Like right here is where like there was like dolphin sightings, like just around this
When that cruise ship goes to take off, so what happens is it's docked, and there's motors that push it off from the dock, so it pushes it out, And when that happens, all the seafood and stuff that they've dumped down in the ocean will fall out from underneath that, and then all the dolphins will come up and get it. And the dolphins, weirdly enough, they know around about what time it is when this stuff happens, so they follow up with it, you know. That's a ferry. It's just to let people know that, you know, there's gonna be a larger boat.
Getting ready to take off, actually.
That's probably what's about to happen.
Because they put like a couple of those out.
Where does it go? This way?
So yeah, it's gonna go out into the ocean right here, and the ferry will push it out a certain way, and then what you see down there in the very end, there's a little white boat, a little small white boat. There's actually like federal agents on that boat, and they'll come out and escort it out to sea.
To get it out the territory.
Yeah.
Out of the country, I guess.
You doing wiping off all the bird poop? You wiping off all the bird poop?
Yeah. They're near the boat too. They usually drop like that.
Sid, you want to take a picture in this?
Yeah, and then we'll get the cruise boat.
Let's see if they'll let us.